Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you how I prepare tofu when I don't have much time.
For this recipe, the main ingredient is the organic extra firm tofu. The first thing you will do is drain and remove all the liquids from the tofu so that it can really absorb the flavors of the seasoning. Next, what I did was cut the tofu into medium rectangle strips, and when I finished that, I went ahead and heated a pan, and once it was hot, I put the tofu. A few seconds later, I added amino liquids, which has a similar taste to soy sauce but is much lower in sodium. And a minute or so later, I added the different seasoning. I first added some paprika, then I added some cumin, then I added some garlic powder, and finally I put turmeric. Of course, you can decide to add the flavors that you like. Then I added a little bit more of liquid aminos, but if you don't have liquid aminos, you can always use soy sauce. And I let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, mixing it here and there until the outside was nice and crispy. Once the outside was nice and crispy, I served them and ate them.
That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe to join the Living Life Simply community, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!